Okay. Hey guys, back with another laundry motivational video. I picked up 2 orders today. One I'm going to pick up at 4:30, and then the next one I'll pick it up like 4:40. Give me enough time to get from there out to the next. But anyway, I'm coming and to ask you guys to come along with me as I pick up these 2 laundry orders. I believe both said it has three regular bags. So we have 6 regular bags of laundry to do tonight. And then we'll drop them off on my way back to work tomorrow morning at before 8 o'clock. Anyway, come along with me as we come pick up these 2 laundry orders. At the house, the second pickup, but I don't see the laundry out. So let me go knock on the door. Whew. I picked up both delivery orders. So now I'm on my way back to the house to start on the laundry so we can drop it off before I get to work tomorrow morning. So let's go. Each customer had 3, I was going to say 3 bags full, but one customer had hers and hamper baskets. Well, they weren't real big hamper baskets. So she had 2 hamper baskets, like a small, medium-sized hamper basket and a real small, teeny white bag, and this customer had 3 regular size gray bags. So we're going to go home and we're going to get started. Hopefully, and pray I'll be done with both orders by 11 tonight. That way I can be in the bed. I want to be in the bed by midnight so I can get up early in the morning, leave the house no later than 6:30 to be able to drop off both orders and then head to work. So let's go get started on the laundry. Guys, this is the laundry I just picked up. These 3 gray bags is for one customer, and the other is for the second customer. So let's get started. Good morning. I'm on my way. It is 6:38 a.m. That's why it's a little dark out here. You know, it doesn't get a little lighter until almost 7 o'clock, a little closer to 7. But anyway, we're on our way to drop off the 2 orders that we picked up on yesterday. And I know it's been a couple of days since I put out a video, and that's because I'm turning this air off so you guys can hear me. I know, like I said, I know it's been a couple of days since I put out a video, but I think I'd be getting a little discouraged about
1,000 feet. Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Todd's Lane.
About, you know, my channel. I can see it is a little bit growing, but the views is not as high as I would like them to be.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Todd's Lane.
So I think I was getting a little discouraged, and one time I thought about just stop. Then I said no, I'm not going to stop. But I did stop for a couple of days. Anyway, so I had 2 orders that I decided to take yesterday, and one of them I've never yesterday. One of them which is the first one I'm about to drop off now, is I've done them before, but the second order I'm going to drop off, I hadn't done them before, and of course
for 1 mile.
their card declined. I don't know, I'm getting this a lot
Continue on
lately,
Big Bethel Road
so
for 3/4 of a mile.
I don't know what's going on, but these people cards are being declined, of course, after a couple of hours. It goes through because they know they can't get their laundry back unless they pay. And each day after 24 hours is an additional $10 that we get. But anyway, I don't know what's going on, but thank God anyway I'm still getting paid. So we're about to go drop off this laundry. So come along with me, guys. We have both deliveries dropped off. Now this house I'm leaving now, I had trouble taking the picture, picking it up, taking the picture just now, dropping it off. Well, I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and send the picture I took with my regular camera to support. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I went on and I sent the picture over to support, so now I'm on my way to work. I want to thank you guys for always popping in, watching my videos, and although I missed a couple of days of doing a video, like I said, I was getting a little discouraged because it's a lot of work editing the videos, and this video might not be all that you guys wanted to see in the laundry motivational video, but I said let me just go ahead and pull out the video of what I have, because I didn't have both cameras with me, so I had to do what I had to take what I could, you know, with what I had. So anyway, I'm on my way to work. Thank you guys for always popping in. Like the video, thumbs up the video if you like the video, and I will see you guys. Oh, first of all, before I end the video, how was you guys Thanksgiving? Did you eat a lot of food, or did you eat what you desire? I did cook. It was just me and my youngest daughter, and I'm glad because she wanted other people. I just wanted to rest. So I know it was just me and her that I was able to rest, and which we did. After we ate, we slept, do like people normally do, eat, sleep. Then we watched a movie, an old movie. Then she went out to her grandmother's house and ate there. Then she came back. Then I did her hair, and then we ate until it was time for us to go to bed that night. And it was the type of Thanksgiving that I really wanted. I really wanted to get rest, and so that's what I did. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.